Hi everyone, very good morning. Today our topic is how to test web services or APIs in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, this is our topic. Majorly you need to call it's a web services or APIs. Okay, okay. First of all, how you need to work to the API. Okay, API called application programming application programming interface. What it means? It's a middleware work. Middleware work or middleware working. Okay, it's a agent type. Okay, example, in nowadays there is a WhatsApp call, right? Okay, WhatsApp example, it's a India, middle is the API, and same WhatsApp call USA. Okay, within fraction of seconds, whenever you call, right, the call will go to the US. Okay, the but middle of the work, the API only need to work. This is called it's API only, but internet based. Okay, internet based APIs. There are so many types of APIs, right, in worldwide. But whenever you need to call to the WhatsApp Indian mobiles, means the person is in India, same person another person in USA. But there are so much of long difference, right? India and US. But the just 1 second only, one click only, you able to call to directly in US. Okay, that is the supported based APIs. Okay, internet based APIs you will call it. Okay, India and US based on the WhatsApp application based only, you need to call to the US, right? US person. The middleware you need to work to the API. Okay, middle of the person only, API only need to work. And security point of view, application, this WhatsApp, it's an Indian person, this data never exposed to the US person, same US person data also never exposed to the India person. But the API, right, both the based means Indian US, both the mobiles, you have a WhatsApp application, but API used to, you need to connect to the another country person also. Means just for example, not only for country, any person you able to call based on the internet based, right? That reason. Okay, the way of working, right, it's a intermediate person, or it's called agent, middle of the person. Okay, another example, you can just a minute, you can take any one website, mm, the website name. Okay, you can take the make my trip. This is the travel website, right? It's the best example. Okay, the location Delhi to Bangalore, right? Just you can click on search. Okay, now how we need to work to the APIs, right? Example, make my trip, the website, it's called, it's a third party application. Okay, okay, this is a third party application. But how you need to able to get to the you can see the airlines calls Indigo. Indigo, it's a separate company means it's a airlines company. You can see Go Fast, Air Asia, same Indigo, Air Asia, Vistara, Akash Air. Okay, there are so many types of flights companies it's available, right? This means this total data how you need to provide it. Okay, through make my trip. Not only make my trip, there are so many companies, so many websites also same type of only will be displayed, everything the real time data only it's coming. But how we need to came, the companies anything will provide it directly to database, will provide it to this website, that is not possible. Okay, everyone it's a business, right? He never provided any our company data. Okay, security, not only security reason, it's a business, right? He never touch that one. But how you need to get this one? Okay, third party websites also how you able to display to the everything, a real time of the live data only how we need to able to get, right? Every company our servers data. Okay, he will dump to the one specific API server only will dump, that is automatic process, automatically will dump to the data, that APIs only he will provide the data to this website. This website APIs will communicate to that server and he will fetch the data. That's all. Okay, very simple method. But this website, the company related details you don't know. That company also this website details you don't know. But middle of the working APIs only will done this job everything. Okay, that based only APIs will work. Okay, the best example this website only make my trip only. Okay, every data example now you need to book any flight, some place to some place you book it, right? This one also will reflected that server, the specific company server. That is everything API is based only will be work. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, first one, APIs, sorry, APIs. APIs there are two types. One is SOAP API. One is SOAP API. Second one is REST API. But you can see SOAP API will run, right? SOAP is a post method and running slow. Running slow. The reason it's a post method, something data you need to hit it to the server, right? That reason it's running slow. REST is it's a get method, running fast. This one also I will show you how it's slow and fast. Okay, first one SOAP API. Okay, now we need to do this SOAP API, right? Okay, first I will open to the SOAP API tool. Through JMeter also I will show you how we need to do that one. Just a minute, you need to open that one. Okay, this is soap UI tool. Okay, now I need to add to the some soap file, right? You can go to the Google. Okay, you can type to the web services calculator. Okay, web services calculator. The first link only you can see calculator web services. This is the easy way you need to calculate that one. Okay, whenever you need to open to the calculator web services, right, just you can click on to the, you can see service description, right? Just you can click on this one, service description. Just a minute, something, just a minute, even running, not in this one. Yeah, it's working only. This is the WSDL path, you can copy it. You can go to the soap UI, just click on to the, there is a soap icon, right? Just you can click on this one, will create directly project also. It's a soap API project name, and I will give the WSDL path. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now it's open that one. You can go, there are two APIs, right? One is add, addition, second one is subtraction. I will go to the addition. You can click on to that API. Just click on that one. Okay, this is the soap file. Starting is soap envelope. Enrollment, it's an envelope only. Addition, right? You can integer you need to give. I will give the 10. Second one, another 10. Okay, now you need to run this one. It's running, right? Just a minute, you will complete that one. Okay, now it's completed. 200. Okay, okay, go to the XML. You can see add results is 20. Okay, now it's success this one. In same only JMeter, how you need to create that one. Just a minute, I will show you that one also. Okay, now it's open, right? JMeter also. In JMeter, test plan by default it's available, right? Now you need to add the thread group. Add is the test plan, right click, add thread and thread group. Another thread group, you need to add the sampler HTTP request. After thread group, you can add the just to view results tree in listener. This three is currently enough, but you need to save this one. REST API. Okay, that is the name. Okay, how you need to give the same only now. Okay, now you need to go to the same application WSDL file, right? You need to go back. Okay, click on, you can take this entire path. Otherwise just you can click on this addition. You can see it now, it's open, right? You can see this is the method called, it's a post method. Host, this one, content type text or XML, content length soap action. Okay, how you need to do it right now? First you can take the host. Okay, you can go to JMeter, right? Host, you can do that. You can go to the, this is the post method and the path until dot asmx is developed by .NET application. Java is different, it's a post method. Okay, okay, this is HTTP or HTTPS, right? Just you need to check this one. Okay, this is the HTTPS only. It's a HTTPS method. Okay, these three you need to add, that is enough. And you need to provide the body of the data, right? You can go there, you can take the, this is the file, soap envelope to until end, you can take it. Okay, once you executed, right, what is the output? This is the output you need to give. Okay, add results int means you already see, right? You can see add results 20, right? Same only in JMeter also you need to keep. Okay, I will provide at the int, one is 10, 10. Headers, right? You need to add the header also. HTTP header manager, you need to add them. You can see content type, right? You can copy this one, same only, you don't need to change everything. Name is content type. Content type text or XML. Okay, okay, now it's done. You can provide the HTTP header manager, the content type of text or XML, and request also HTTPS server path, post method, remaining path, and you will provide the post URL also. Okay, now you need to run this one. Just a minute. Network center key is not correct. Just a minute, guys. I need to reconnect that one. Yeah, now it's connected. I need to run one more time. Yeah, it's success, right? You can see now you need to run one more time also. Okay, same request, right? This is the called SOAP API. SOAP API request. Okay, now you need to run. Okay, this is the SOAP API method. You can see it's successful, right? 200. This is the request you sent it. Okay, 1010. And response, this is the will provided. You can see add result 20. Okay, one is add results 20. Okay, you can see request 1010 integers a and b 1010 addition, right? The response add results 20. Add results. Okay, this is the way you need to set up to the same first one. SOAP API you need to provide it to the WSDL file, but JMeter just you have a WSDL file path, right? That SOAP file based only you will fulfill the your request API request and send the it to the server, and you need to get the response. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, this is the way. Now add results is 20, right? This is the way you need to test to the SOAP API request. Now you need to move into the REST. Now it's disable this one. Same, I am also added to the another. Okay, I will give into the REST API request. REST API request. Okay, now I need to take REST, right? I will go to the internet. Okay, I will take weather REST APIs. Okay, you can see I will take weather API open weather map. Okay, this one I will take it. Okay, this is the REST API I need to take in. First of all, whenever you need to log in, right, you are just for free validation purpose APIs. Okay, you need a API key. Okay, that one just you need to based on your Gmail account. You can log in it. You log in and you will get the separate your API key. That is the valid API key you are able to use. Okay. Now I am already logged in. You can see it's my name also, Gauri. Okay. I will click onto the API. Okay. Now you can go to the, you can see now current weather data. I will go to the app docs. Okay, current weather data. Okay, you can see access current weather data for any location at including over around 2 lakh cities. He collect the process weather data and different sources such as global and local weather models, satellites, radars, and vast network of weather stations. Data is available JSON, XML, HTML format. Okay, our requirement is only XML. That is enough. Okay, call current weather data. How to make a API call, right? You can see this is the general API call. LAT means latitude, LON means longitude. Based on the worldwide satellite based, you need to target the point exactly where you require, and this is the API key, API based. Okay, now maybe you are not understand exactly this API key. What you need to do, right? You can go to down. First of all, the very in detailed parameter wise everything, longitude, latitude, API key, mode. Okay, XML, HTML, right? Unit, lang, everything will provide it, right? You did not understand that much level. You can take very simple one. You can see, please use geocoder API if you need automatic convert city names and zip codes to geo coordinate and other way to around. Just you can click onto the geocoder APIs. Okay, the major difference is he will provide the directly to the which city, which country, which state you require details, everything will provide it. How to make an API call, right? You can see this is the one of the API call. You will provide it directly city name, state, country, limit to API key, right? You can go down example of API key. This is the original API key. You can copy this one. Okay, now you copy, right? Okay, now you copied what you require, right? You need a original API key. You can see I'm already logged in this one. Just you can click on under my name folder, drop down my API keys. Okay, my API keys, you can see the location New Delhi. I will given just API name. I will copy this one. Okay, instead of API key I will provide this one. You can go to the Google, right? Just you can paste them. I will show you how we need to work this one. You can see based on the latitude and longitude he will provide it to the every country and same region of country, city, zip code, address, what is the language details also will provide it. You can see there are so many it's available, right? Example, you can see the name is London, latitude, longitude based, country same, it's available US, state is Kentucky. Okay, this page will provide it. Okay, now I need to copy this one. Okay, second one, REST API. Okay, this is the REST API. in REST API, right? This is the HTTP method. You can copy this one. Okay, REST API method is the HTTP method. By default, it's available. Only path only I'm providing, and the remaining entire path, right? I will directly copy. I will give it to them. Okay. Okay. Now you need to run this one. What will be happening? You can see REST API is passed. Okay, based on that output also you're able to get it, right? This is on the output. Okay, another way you need to add some fields. Okay, um, just you can copy to the, can provide the field name. First one is the q is equal to London. Q is equal to London, and limit is equal to 5. App ID is equal to, you can take this one. Okay, you can, until you need to remove to the until question mark. Okay, this is where also you able to, you need to run. Okay, just you can see now how we need to work this one. Okay, this is the output, same output only we able to get it. Okay, now both SOAP and REST will be completed, right? Yeah, both I need to enabled. You can go to the view results tree. I will save it and just I will run, right? Okay, both SOAP and REST will be working, right? No issue. Okay, now you need to run to the, as a performance tester. I will run to the, remove minimum 10 users I will mention. Okay, what I will do, right? This is more resource utilization. You can disable, go to the, you can go to the view result table. Okay, now whenever you're running 50 users also, it's able to both SOAP and REST, it's working, right? There is no any issue, there is no any failures, and it's not available. But whenever you run to the very heavy load, okay, okay, 10,000 users, that much range you run, and your longer duration you're running, right? That time SOAP will be failed sometime. It's some performance issues. SOAP will be running slowly. Okay, the reason every time you need to fetch the data to server and you need to return back the response, right? That reason. And the rest directly download the server only, right? That reason he did not, it's not work that much of slowly, it's working fast only. Compared to SOAP, REST is fast, and REST based methods only nowadays most of the applications will be implemented. But still SOAP also, so many banking applications also still it's using, there is no any question. But as for the performance tester, right, you need to consider SOAP and REST methods, how we need to build and how we need to test. This is only for sample only I'm showing. For real-time applications, right, the REST files, everything development team will be provided. Okay, based on that one, first of all manually need to check you able to working or not. Once everything is working fine, yes, you can build it to the, through JMeter tool, and something, any URLs or any other parameters you need to parameterize, you can do that one. and you need to run. That is, it's a very simple only, but you know how you need to build that one based on your requirement. Okay, that is first point. And another one, right? Soap also it's same only. Sometimes it's provided. Okay, based on the requirement you need to run. That is also, it's not a big deal, it's simple only, it's a working. But first of all, you know how, what are the elements based you need to use. Okay, previous versions in JMeter, example JMeter 3.0, there is a one element called what is that one, sorry, not this place. One element name is super XML RPC request. Okay, super XML RPC request, it's available in SOAP API is testing purpose. Okay, after 3.0 it's a deprecated, and nowadays you need to directly need to use to the HTTP request only currently I'm using. Okay, but still you need to use to the old version. Yeah, you need that feature, right? You can go on directly, you can download the 3.0 and you can use that one. Okay, that is also one of the best method. Okay, that way also you're able to test the soap files. Okay, it's a very easy. Okay, and finally our conclusion is soap API. Okay, REST API. Okay, soap API it's running slow. Okay, REST API is running fast. Okay, and more number of applications will run in only REST API based only need to work. Okay, example, whenever I will run to the 50 users without any ramp up, that type of details, without anything, he able to succeed it. Okay, without any issue. But when running the long duration, right, it's a keep on fail. Okay, but you know the process how you need to test the SOAP and REST APIs through JMeter and other tools also. Example, in SOAP UI tool also, it's a mainly you need to test the, you can see SOAP and REST file purpose only will develop this one. Okay, this is also one of the key role will be working. Okay, you need to learn the SOAP UI and Postman tools also. You're able to test very easily through SOAP and REST files testing. Okay, it's very easy and very helpful to the performance testers. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. Maybe now you able to understand how you need to test to the SOAP and REST files. Okay, in JMeter. And yes, okay, our topic also, how to test web services or APIs in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, okay, now maybe you understand, right, how the APIs you need to work. Okay, it's the middle of the middleware you need to work, otherwise it's called agent. Okay, agent type you need to work both the intercommunication. Okay, client to server model, client to server, but in middle of the agent. Client will connect to the API and the API will connect to the server, and you will get back the server data and you will give it to the client. But a client you don't know server, server you don't know client. But a middle working person, it's a API only in work. Okay, that is the way only you need to work to the way, web services. Okay, just you need to practice it 1 or 2 times. Okay, you also able to get the good knowledge. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to my next video. I will provide more information regarding for the web services APIs. Okay, yeah, thanks guys. I will connect to my next video. Bye everyone.